Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Saturday wherever you are around the world. Thank you for spending your Saturday here on the Crypto ZX channel. Looking at the overall markets, we are starting to see a little bit of life once again. As you guys may know, the last 3 days have been a little bit negative, but which was mostly expected after having such a beautiful rally towards the upside since the year has started. It is only right to see some sort of consolidation happen within the price of Bitcoin along with the cryptocurrencies. But as you guys can tell by the title of the video, we will be focusing on Solana, what's happening with the price of Solana, and where is the price going in the immediate short term. If you like these kind of videos, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking at the price of Solana right now, it is currently trading at $20.87. We are up about 4.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as about 2.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap has gone below that $8 billion mark, currently sitting at $7.8 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume has also obviously decreased, and that is currently sitting at $290 million. But before we jump into the charts and all that good stuff, I just wanted to share this very interesting thing with you guys. This really goes to show where Solana is headed. I've been telling you guys for the longest time that Solana has really shown what it's capable of and how it is here to compete with the biggest blockchain, which is Ethereum. And we are seeing all the numbers right in front of us. This is a massive thread, beautiful thread. Shout out to Delphi Digital, who posted this a massive thread, and I wanted to share this with the viewers before we jump into the charts. So it says Solana is the second largest NFT ecosystem, obviously right after Ethereum. 14% of all NFT sales volume, average trade sizes are rising, buyers outnumbering sellers recently. The FTX collapse left Solana NFTs with an existential crisis. One, it seems to have survived. So this is a really nice thread I really wanted to share with you guys. It says, today Solana NFT rivaled Solana DeFi in terms of interest and activity. We could even say that NFTs are carrying the ecosystem, which I told you guys from the beginning. Solana ecosystem has really been a driving force from the NFT space. The NFTs on Solana have literally gained so much traction over the past 1 year, and that is bringing a lot of attention. People don't even look at Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum is still the top when it comes to NFT, but Solana is getting there. More and more artists are looking at Solana. Wait, this is very interesting. We don't want to be paying this insane amount of gas fees when we can just do the same thing on Solana with faster rate and cheaper fees. And this is why we're seeing so much interest coming in. And also it states Solana has grown significantly in the market share. It has risen from 6% to 14% of total NFT sales volume in less than a year. And obviously now the markets are heating up, so it is to be expected that the overall ecosystem and the market share will rise. And you guys can see this. Ethereum has obviously most of it, but then 6% is Solana, and that is very impressive. It also says sales volume for Solana NFTs rose steadily through 2021, which I've just mentioned. They reached a peak of 300 million in a monthly volume in April of 2022, and this is when NFTs on Solana were really going absolutely insane. And it says during the last Solana NFT season in 2021, early 2022, when volume peaked, the number of unique buyers exceeded that of sellers for several months before eventually giving way to the sellers. In recent months, we've started to see unique buyers outnumber sellers again. And that really goes to show, obviously, the bull market is returning. Everything is getting excited. So aside from the price, the ecosystem is growing. And I keep telling you guys this from the beginning that, I've been in the market since 2016, early 2016. And, I've seen insane amount of Ethereum killers that came into the market and failed. We've never seen projects like Cardano and Solana, and there's obviously other ones that are actually showing strength, and not only just strength in the price, but the ecosystem, how developers are flocking to these blockchains, and really goes to show where the interest really is going as years come by. I've always mentioned that Ethereum is going nowhere. Now it is treated as a store of value, as an asset class, but in terms of developing innovation, Ethereum just isn't there anymore. But now, before we jump into the charts, guys, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. You guys can see Solana found itself at this level of support right here, which is where we're currently sitting at. And obviously this happened because Bitcoin did see a little bit of a retracement. We are below $22,000 mark. You guys know how important that mark really is for me. But we are seeing BTC starting to form a green candle. Are we possibly about to close above $22,000 before this day comes to an end? That will definitely be a bullish thing to note. But obviously Solana was impacted by this price movement and this overall shift in the BTC price. You guys can see we came down and we're currently literally sitting at this level of support, because remember guys, if we lose this specific level of support where we're currently sitting at, this is where the price is headed to, which is $18.14. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about roughly 13%. Is that possible? It's definitely on the table right now. It all depends right now on BTC momentum. Obviously this level of support I expect to hold. It was a massive level of support for the price of Solana. If we go below it, that would require BTC to be below $21,000 in my personal opinion, which would currently put the price of Solana around between this 1533 level to that 1647 level. But remember, now a lot of people are going to just start panicking right off the bat. But remember, if you picked up some Solana since the since the beginning of the year, you are already up 155%. Yes, you've heard that correct. Even if it drops down to this level of support, I'm totally fine with that. And the likelihood of that happening is quite high right now because of Bitcoin. But again, this gives people opportunity to be accumulating more Solana. If you like Solana, you know how fast these markets shift around. And if you like Solana, I've shared, the overall scenario where Solana is really headed. If you think Solana is going to be one of the top blockchains and you were wishing that you were picking some up at $260, now is a great opportunity right in front of us. There's the very, very famous saying in cryptocurrency and stock, people will flock when the price is at 250 or wherever the all-time high is, but no one wants it when it's cheaper. But that's just how the human psychology and the brain works. If you shift that and start panicking when people are being greedy while others are panicking, this will help you a lot. But like I said, always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency stocks, no matter what. But that is it for today's topic. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Solana going at the end of this year, not even at the end of the month, at the end of this year. Let me know down below. Comment that down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all the support. See you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.